Hi there, YouTube. Dominic, the CX guy, Dominic, the Zendesk guy. Welcome to another video. Today's topic is going to be about Zendesk Sell, specifically how to add a subscription. So to keep an eye out on monthly recurring revenues and upcoming recurring revenue. So before we begin, please subscribe to this channel. Please like this video, comment if you'd like to see some special content. So for those of you who don't know me, my name is Dominic. Again, I am a Zendesk consultant. I have been a Zendesk consultant for the past 8 years. I have been a Zendesk partner for the past 2 years. I have also worked at Zendesk, and I'm here to share some of that knowledge. Now, back to today's topic, how to add subscriptions in Zendesk Sell. If you're not familiar how this works, I am going to share my screen and I'll show you exactly how to do it and how to keep track of it, because I know you guys like to just see where I press the buttons. Nobody cares about the theory. Everyone wants to see, yeah, show me the stuff. All right, let's show you the stuff. Share screen. All right, so I'm in my Zendesk Sell and I'm going to go to admin, so settings and admin, and then I'm going to go to subscriptions, so customize subscriptions. I'm going to activate subscriptions. It is not activated by default, so you have to activate it. Okay, this has happened now. I have to refresh my screen just to make sure it appears in there. And I'm going to go into my contacts. And I'm going to search for a contact, and I'm going to search for, well, you guessed it, myself, in here. And the subscription should appear here on the right-hand side of the screen. Okay, so I have this. This guy has some activity and support, and probably they have some activity in Sell. Well, sorry, in a MailChimp. Yeah, so now, subscription, right? So we need to add a subscription for this guy. So he has subscribed to us, he's bought our product, or he's bought our service, he's bought our product and it's a monthly subscription, he's bought our service, which is, let's say, a monthly commitment, and I need to add it in here. So I add it. I have to add the value, and I'm going to say this is 4,000. The start date, yeah, let's actually put it, yeah, okay, starting today, March 23rd. And then after a number of months, let's say a specific date, when this ends, it's going to be, I don't know, let's say June 22nd. Okay, so this is like how much? 3 months? Yeah, 3 months of subscription. Okay, I can add a description, of course. Then I save this bad boy. And here it is. Okay, cool. So now it's here. I can definitely add this as an indefinite end, right? So it never ends. Obviously, you want clients for life. This is the purpose of this YouTube channel, to help you keep clients for life. If you haven't seen my, stream of videos about Zendesk support and everything around customer service, you're in luck, because there's many videos in there. There's also a playlist called Zendesk Setup, which follows how to set up your Zendesk from scratch, and it's amazing. And my advice is to have a look. It's Zendesk approved. I've done that while working at Zendesk, and it's amazeballs. Also, I will display in this description an ebook with 8 tips how to optimize your customer service system. It's amazing. Anyways, so you have your subscription, and now what do you want to do? You want to keep an eye on your subscriptions, right? So you want to see who has a subscription with you, and you want to see that revenue. So you're going to go to your contacts, and you have to create a smart list. So I'm going to delete this guy. So these are my contacts in my list. So if I want to keep an eye out on my current monthly revenue, MRR, monthly recurring revenue, I need to see this in a field in here. Okay, so I'm going to go to a field and add this and create a smart list. So plus, and I can scroll in here and I have a lot of options, and here it is, current MRR. Here it is. Okay, so I've added to my list. That's it. That's all you have to do. Here you go. You filter by it, and here you go. These are two of, This is the one that we've just created, right? So this is you keeping an eye out for current monthly recurring revenue. I haven't really had a very good night's sleep, but here I am. And of course, I can add another one, which is upcoming MRR, or I can have, anyway, I don't have it, of course, because it's not current. It's not the current month. But anyway, you get the idea. This is how you add it. This is how you create a smart sheet, a smart list, and you save it from here. And that's it. I'm not going to save it because I'm not going to save this because, yeah, it's, well, I use this and I don't want to disrupt it. Anyway, this has been today's video. I hope this was helpful. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.